In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Wix website. To get started, sign into your Wix account and make sure you're on your dashboard. The transfer process begins in the top left corner of the screen. From there, click the drop-down icon that lets you switch between websites in your account. This menu gives you access to all the sites you manage, so it's the quickest way to locate the one you want to transfer. Once the menu opens, choose the option to go to All Sites. This will take you to the full list of websites connected to your account. Take a moment here to identify the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects. You'll want to be careful to select the right one before moving forward, since this process is meant to hand ownership over to someone else. Next, hover your mouse over the website you want to transfer. As you do that, a three-dot icon will appear. Click that icon to open more options for that site and then choose Transfer Site. This opens the transfer setup where you'll enter the email address of the new site owner. Make sure the email is entered correctly because that's where the ownership invitation will be sent. After entering the new owner's email, you'll be asked to define their relationship to the site. You can select whether they are a client, an agency, or freelancer, or someone else. This helps Wix categorize the transfer, but the key thing is simply choosing the option that best fits the situation. Once that's done, click Continue. On the next screen, Wix gives you a couple of important choices. First, you can decide whether you want to keep your role as a co-owner after the transfer. This is useful if you still want access to help manage the site even after ownership changes. You may also have the option to create a copy of the site before transferring it. That can be helpful if you want to keep a backup version for your own records. After reviewing those settings, click Continue. Finally, you'll reach the confirmation step. This is where you should pause and review everything carefully, including the recipient and the transfer settings you selected. When you're ready, reconfirm the transfer and click Transfer Ownership. That's it. Once completed, the new owner will be able to accept the transfer and take over the site. If you follow these steps carefully, the process is quick and straightforward.